Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Nabco Gyrotech 224750 floor pivot subassembly for their 1100 series door. This video will serve as visual and dimensional evidence of the item. Weighs about 0.17 pound, and here are some dimensions. Overall height of the pivot, about 2 1/4. Overall width, about 13/16. Overall projection to the base, about 2 3/8. Down to the center of that pivot's about 1 1/4. Take a couple of additional dimensional properties. Outside diameter of the pivot assembly is 0.752, with an inside dimension 0.562. You can see that feature down in there. Overall height of the pivot assembly 1.017. 1.017 overall height. Just a piece of welded steel. Recessed tapped hole area back here. Finally, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Gyrotech Nabco products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. Any questions in the Gyrotech Nabco 224750 floor pivot subassembly for the 1100 series door, or any other Gyrotech Nabco product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.